What's happening, guys? I'm Curtis, and we're going off the deep end today. Alright, so I'm sure you can deduce from probably the title of this video, assuming I titled it correctly. We are playing with foam today. I want to get an idea of what the hood on this thing is going to look like. So I went out and bought some foam, and we're going to try to shape a hood. I've never done this, so we're learning together. But before we can do anything, we need to put the motor back in so we can get an idea of the profile. So I'm going to do that. Alright, so now that we got the motor in, we need to get an idea of what the profile is going to look like on this hood. So I've already got a piece of plywood all cut. I'm going to grab that. It fits, kind of slots over top of the engine, and then we can draw out our profile. Once our profile's drawn out, we can cut it out of the plywood, and then that'll give us a nice guide as we start to kind of shape the foam. So let's grab that profile board and clamp it up onto the chassis. Alright, so we got the board up there. It's clamped on. It's not super sturdy, but it's sturdy enough. I'm gonna grab a Sharpie and kind of draw in a hood slope. And then we're just gonna kind of play with it, draw a couple lines, figure out what looks good before we pull that off and cut it out. So let's get a little artistic. I'm going to take a couple minutes to do some woodworking. I really don't want to do this, but I gotta pull the motor back out. Whew. Alright, now that we got the motor out, let's take those plywood forms and put them up on here and see if we gotta make any adjustments. See if we can get them kind of solid down to the frames so that when we start gluing foam on them, they don't move around or anything. And then I guess just get to it on foam.
We don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you, still that's so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile. Oh yeah. And how you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone.
All right, let's glue some foam on it. All right, it's time to break out our secret weapon from last week, our hot wire cutter. I may need to make some modifications. Way faster. All right, guys. All right, the battery's going dead on this camera, and I'm too filthy to go inside to get a new one. So I'm gonna finish up this cutting, and then I'll catch up with you guys before we start gluing it on. All right, guys, it's getting pretty late, so I'm gonna finish cleaning up out here. You know, cutting that EPS with the skill saw really made a mess. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up, and then I'll probably glue up most of these blocks tonight, and then so that next week when I catch back up with you guys, we'll be ready to carve it and really make a bigger mess. So in the meantime, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. I'll see you next week. I'm out of here.